Today's fabulous adventure,
Sweet.
fabulous adventure, is starting at Pleasley Pit, isn't it? So
Yes,
we're at Pleasley.
but
the
locals say it as Pleasley.
Pleasley Pit, and we're going to cycle to.
Silverhill.
Silverhill and
Silverhill viewpoint. Have a look round, come back, and then the Rowthorne Trail.
Yeah, but that's near, which is the name of the house. The house is Hardwick Hall. Yeah, that's near Hardwick Hall. And we're Silver Hill is
Silverhill.
Silver Hill is our very first vlogging adventure over a year ago. Yeah, so we're returning to the place where it all began.
Wow.
Yeah, so let's go for a nice cycle ride and see what happens. Yeah. So we started off at the Pleasley Pit Country Park, which you can see in the top right-hand corner of the map, and then we cycled down the Silverhill Trail until we came to the turning for Silverhill Woodland. We cycled then into the Silverhills Woodland Park. So it's lovely weather for our cycle ride, isn't it, to Silverhill? Setting out now and it should be a lovely afternoon. We found some swans, haven't we?
Well,
Swans.
Two swans and 5 ugly ducklings.
Yeah, 5 cygnets. And they're a little bit away from the water, aren't they? Yeah. Don't usually see swans like that. Too busy eating to take much notice of us. There's all the babies, all cute and fluffy. Yeah. They normally eat sort of weedy things in the water, don't they? But they seem to be very keen on this grass. Not bothered about us at all, are they? So we made it to the Silverhill's viewpoint. Silverhill viewpoint.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was easy on the electric bike cycling up, wasn't it?
And how cold was it last time we came? To today.
Was it January when we came?
Yeah. It's freezing cold.
Absolutely freezing. But that was our very first vlog.
Yeah.
Wow.
You can see for miles.
Yeah, you can see for miles. We'll do a panoramic shot round to show the view, and you can see Hardwick Hall as well, can't you? Yeah, it's a lovely view.
And that must be the Hope Valley Hills.
Yeah.
And then that must be the Birchen Edge Hills over the back.
Yeah.
And down to Ashover Rocks, should be around there somewhere.
A lovely view. And that's the panoramic view round from the viewpoint on the top. You can just see Hardwick Hall poking over the top of the trees there. And the miner statue and Deborah.
Not mining.
No, not mining, not a statue. That's where our original Silverhill vlog started. A year and a half ago.
Year and a half ago since we wandered through the woodland.
Yeah. And Deborah spotted about the meandering, didn't you? Yeah. And we had a lovely meander up the hill.
It was freezing cold.
It was absolutely freezing, that's right. And here we are today on our bikes. There's the sign in the background. Yeah, it's been a lot easier, isn't it, on the bikes? Yeah. It was quite a climb, yeah, but it was easy with the electric bikes. And we've got to find our way back to Pleasley Pit. So we're back at Pleasley. Is it Pleasley?
The locals call it Pleasley.
Pleasley, yeah. Back at Pleasley Pit. There's the pit there, yeah.
Pit head. There's another pit head on the other side.
We're going to go in the cafe, but the cafe closed, didn't it?
Yeah, closed at 2 p.m.
2 p.m. It's 5 p.m.
It's
now.
a bit useless, isn't it?
So we missed that by miles.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's been lovely, hasn't it?
A nice little sign there.
Yeah.
Easy bit.
Yeah. It's been lovely. It's been lovely weather.
Yeah.
It's been just nice for a good old cycle ride.
And last weekend, they had a gala here, and the Lancaster bomber flew over.
Yeah,
we
missed it, didn't we? But yeah, the Lancaster bomber flew right over here. Yeah, so that's been a lovely adventure from Pleasley Pit to Silverhill.
Yeah. I kissed your ear.